Hi, welcome to Simple Home Magic. Today we are making fish pickle.
Let's make a spicy and tasty 2 kilograms tuna fish pickle, perfect to store for a month. I'm using 2 kilograms of cleaned, boneless tuna, but you can use any fish you like. Add 2 teaspoons turmeric powder, 3 tablespoons Kashmiri chili powder, 2 teaspoons salt, 1 tablespoon vinegar, 2 tablespoons oil. Add a little water to mix well. Marinate and keep aside for at least 2 hours. Heat sunflower oil for frying. Add 2-3 curry leaves for extra flavor.
Place the fish one by one carefully.
Fry the fish for 3-4 minutes on each side over low to medium flame. Set aside. Now we need 200 grams small garlic peeled, 150 grams ginger chopped, 50 grams green chilies slit. Now heat another pan with the same used oil. Add 2 teaspoons mustard seeds, 1 1/2 teaspoons fenugreek seeds. Let them splutter. Add garlic first, sauté for 2 minutes. Then add ginger, green chilies, and a few curry leaves. Cook till the raw smell goes. 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 7 tablespoons Kashmiri chili powder, 2 teaspoons salt, sauté till raw smell is gone. Add 1 cup vinegar and mix well.
Cook until the oil separates. Now add the fried fish.
If you like a dry pickle, turn off the flame now. For a gravy version, Add 1 cup hot water. Cook till oil separates. Add a pinch of asafoetida, hing, and mix well. Cool completely and store in a clean, dry glass jar. This fish pickle stays fresh for up to a month. Try this recipe and let us know in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe to Simple Home Magic for more tasty Kerala recipes.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.